This is a classic A-level physics mechanics question, and it comes up far more often than you think. Pause the video and give this a try. Here's the answer. In a question like this, the first step is to mark all the forces acting here. So we can mark the tension here. Now, we know that this is a smooth pulley, therefore the tension here is exactly the same. Now we can mark the weight of this object, which is 2 times 9.8. Let's call it 2g. Now we can mark the weight of this 1 kilogram object. However, it is perpendicular to its motion, so you don't really need it. I mean, I can mark 1g like that, but there's really no point in doing that, so let's not write it down. And under these conditions, this is accelerating to the right, and this is an inextensible string, so the acceleration of this object downwards is the same. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to write the equation F is equal to ma for each one separate. For the 1 kilogram mass, there's no friction, so the only force is T, mass is 1, acceleration is A. So let's call this equation 1. For this 2 kilogram object here, let's write F is equal to ma downwards. Now we know this is accelerating downwards, so obviously 2g must be greater than t. So the resultant force is 2g take away t, mass 2 kilograms, A, equation 2. Now all we need to do is simultaneously solve these two. To do this, the easiest way to do is you add 1 and 2. How do we do that? Let's take the left hand side of equation 1, capital T, and add 2g minus t to it. Now we can equate this to the sum of the right hand sides, which is 1a and 2a. And now you can clearly see this t and negative t get cancelled out. So we get 2g is equal to 3a. Obviously, a acceleration is 2 times 9.8 divided by 3. So the value of acceleration is 6.5 meters per second squared. Now we can substitute this in equation 1, where we know tension is 1 times a. So numerically it's the same value. 6.5 newtons is the tension